Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Dazz Cam app, a super popular retro camera app that gives you photos and videos a vintage aesthetic. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, I've got you covered. Let's get started. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type Dazz Cam. Look for the app with the name Dazz Cam, Vintage Camera, or Retro Filter Camera. It should have a color retro camera logo or similar branding. Once you find the correct app, tap Install on Android or Get on iOS. Wait for the download and installation to finish. It usually takes just a minute or two. And that's it. That's how you download Dazz Cam on your phone. If this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.